and welcome to another episode of As Seen on Pinterest. Today we're going to be using those lost socks from your dryer that you only have one of. And we're going to be channeling our spring energy. We're going to be making sock bunnies. Let's get started. For this project you will need a cup, a single sock, scissors, ribbon, rubber bands, and rice or beans, beads, anything you can stuff a sock with. Alright, your first step of action is to take your cup and your sock and stretch that sock over the cup all the way to the end, so you've got some room to stuff the rice in. Then you're going to take your rice and try to avoid making a mess and pour that rice into the sock. You'll settle it a little bit, and then if you feel like you need more rice, keep on pouring. It'll take a cup or more. All right, and once you've got that stuffed sock, you're gonna slowly take the rest of the sock off the cup. So you've got a little rice-filled sock at the end. You're gonna take a rubber band and tie it off at the top. We do that to prevent any rice from escaping. Then you're gonna create a little bunny head, and you'll rubber band there as well. And then your last step is to give them just a little scrunchy tail, and you'll rubber band this as well. Alright, so I have the bunny shape now. Head, body, tail. He needs some ears, so this is where your scissors come in. If your sock's too long, you'll trim it, or if your sock's the perfect amount, you'll take your scissors and you'll give him ears shaped. You'll cut a little triangle and another little triangle. So he'll have some floppy ears. He's so sweet. Now if you have something at home that can make eyes, you can glue buttons on, jewels. You can draw it on with a marker if your sock is solid colored. I'm gonna leave mine without. And your final step will be for the ribbon to tie a little bow around his neck. And there you have it, the perfect little spring craft to use up some of your old clothes, maybe some expired rice or beans to clean out your cabinets, and you get just a cute little craft with it. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you have a great day. Bye!